Market experts accept Atlas could reach $0.1738 by 2025. Negative Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.3894. Star Atlas presentation. NFTs, the most up-to-date obsession with the web, are supposed to influence the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is making ready for the following rush of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the huge bereft of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain components with NFTs situated in game things and specific designs advances. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may unite, sort out, and battle their direction into neglected landscape because of this astounding creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation action. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary forms NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their extraordinary resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain specifically. The Star Atlas game's universe is huge, and players should go out on desolate, rough experiences loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas interactivity. In the game, players can make huge urban communities and private companies or rally and make decentralized independent associations DAO to lead over specific regions. Players gain virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of unified gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. Star Atlas Essential Investigation. Financial backers utilize this strategy to discover the genuine worth of a coin. The principal objective is to evaluate many inward and outside components to decide whether a coin is exaggerated or underestimated. Financial backers use this information to brilliantly enter or leave ventures. Key examination is one issue that should be addressed prior to exchanging digital currency. The financial backer can get a sense from a central investigation of what money control and speculative action will mean for the digital currency and how to continue. Specialized examination isn't quite as huge as this theme, which calls for more consideration, examination, and experience than formal tutoring. Principal investigations targets. The digital currency market's principal investigation fills the needs recorded underneath. Future cost development determining. Working out a fair worth or normal cost. The executive's evaluation. Surveying the seriousness of the organization. Assessing the monetary well-being of the association. Key examination components. There are three basic parts to crucial examination. Financial assessment. Business examination. Industry research. Key examination is a far-reaching strategy that requires an exhaustive comprehension of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters. For example, grasping macroeconomic issues, knowing valuation systems, and having the option to decipher monetary records are vital for performing principal investigates. What's more, it for the most part utilizes openly accessible information, like an organization's past income and overall revenues, to conjecture future development. Star Atlas is at present worth $0.4868. Atlas has moved 2.1% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,894,736. Star Atlas is at present positioned 460 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $73,423,466. Using the general strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination difference MACD from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Atlas cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part. conceivably coming to $732. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging into 6815 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $5842. Star Atlas value expectation 2024. In 2024, Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $01217. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Atlas's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.9736 and a typical exchanging cost of $179. Star Atlas value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.1738 and Atlas might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.15577 and a low of $0.14604 in 2025. Star Atlas value forecast 2026. Assuming Star Atlas effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $21906, with a base cost of $0.19472 and a typical cost of $445. Star Atlas value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5313 by 2027, with a base cost of $434 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Atlas has a greatest value worth of $26774. Star Atlas value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $181. On the off chance that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $31641. Neglecting to assemble the help Atlas needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $292. Star Atlas value forecast 2029. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $0.34075 and a yearly cost close above $0.3659 in 2029. Star Atlas value expectation 2030. By 2030, Star Atlas will at last outperform its past ATH values.